Have you ever looked at someone speaking fluent English and thought, wow, I'll never be able to do that? Well, I've been there. 6 months ago, I could barely form full sentences in English. Today, I'm speaking to you confidently, and this is not magic. It's not talent. It's not luck. It's a strategy. And in this video, I'll share exactly how I learned English in just 6 months, my failures, breakthroughs, daily habits, and the mindset shift that changed everything. Let me take you back. 6 months ago, English felt like a mountain. I was scared to speak. I overthought every word. I had the grammar books, I watched videos, but I wasn't improving. I avoided conversations, and every time someone spoke English quickly, I felt lost and embarrassed. But something inside me said, what if you commit, really commit, for 6 months? That one thought sparked everything. Step 1. Speak from day 1. The first big change I made? I stopped learning English silently and started speaking it out loud from day 1. I spoke to myself in the mirror. I recorded myself reading short stories. I even pretended to have conversations while walking. Yes, it felt weird. But it worked. Speaking helped me connect the language to my voice, my emotions, and my confidence. I didn't wait until I was ready. I got ready by doing. Step 2. Daily listening. Next, I surrounded myself with English every single day. I listened to English podcasts during breakfast. I watched English YouTubers with subtitles. I played English audiobooks while walking. But I didn't just listen passively, I repeated phrases, mimicked pronunciation, and paused to write down new expressions. Immersion is not about moving to another country, it's about changing the language of your environment. Step 3. Think in English. One habit that truly changed everything? I started thinking in English. When I woke up, I described my morning in English. When I made coffee, I'd think, I'm pouring water, now I'm stirring the cup. It sounds simple, but this rewired my brain. I didn't need to translate anymore. My thoughts began flowing in English and eventually, so did my words. Step 4. Use real conversations. After a few weeks, I got bold. I started talking to real people. I found language partners online. I joined English-speaking Discord groups. I even talked to AI chatbots to simulate conversations. Every mistake taught me something. Every awkward pause gave me confidence. It wasn't perfect, but it was progress. And that progress kept me going. Step 5. Smart vocabulary, not memorization. I stopped memorizing long word lists, instead, I focused on words I actually used. I built my personal vocabulary based on daily life, cooking, emotions, my job, my hobbies. I created flashcards from TV shows and YouTube subtitles. The result? I remembered more and used new words naturally in conversations. Step 6. Correct myself. One of the most powerful things I did was watch and correct my own speaking videos. I'd record myself talking for 2 minutes a day, then watch it back and write down mistakes, not to criticize, just to learn. Over time, I noticed patterns, where I repeated the same mistake, where my pronunciation needed work, or where I could use better vocabulary. It was like having a personal coach, me. Final key: consistency over intensity. Here's the real secret: it wasn't a 10-hour-a-day study grind. It was 1 to 2 hours daily, consistently, for 6 months. No skipping. No excuses. Just daily effort reading, speaking, listening, writing. I made English part of my lifestyle. I even changed my phone and social media language to English, and that's when I saw results. So if you're watching this thinking, can I really learn English like this? The answer is, yes, you can, not because you're special. Not because it's easy. But because with a clear plan, a strong reason, and consistent action, you will grow. 6 months from now, you'll look back and be amazed at how far you've come. Start today. Speak today. Think in English today. And if this inspired you, leave a comment with your English learning goal. Let's support each other, like, subscribe, and remember, fluency begins with belief.